For phonics today, we are working on I can read PH words. Remember, PH is called a digraph. That's when two letters go together to make one sound. So it makes the sound. Your job is going to be to drag and drop the pictures to the correct words. So you're going to read these 8 words and make sure to keep in mind that the PH says You'll notice that sound, that PH, can be at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, or at the end of a word. Here are the pictures. This is a trophy. This is a photo. This is a nephew. This is an elephant. This is a phone. This is a phrase. A phrase is something that is said more than once. So, once upon a time is a phrase that you hear at the beginning of stories. Graph and dolphin. Let's do my turn, your turn. Trophy, photo, nephew, elephant, phone, phrase, graph, dolphin. When you are done dragging and dropping the pictures to the correct places, please press the X and then press the blue turn-in button.